Here's how to make the really cute wood slice and pebble ornament. First, get some wood slices. I bought mine from Michael's, but you could go and cut down a tree in your backyard too. That's up to you. And then if you do want to hang it, make sure you drill a hole before you do any painting or designing. That way the hole is already there to hang. Then I'm going to take some orange acrylic craft paint and cover the entire front surface where your cat is going to be. We want to start by painting the background. So get a nice coat on the color you choose and make sure you're careful getting around that edge so you don't get any paint around the edges where the bark is. And then I'm going to take the same brush and start using some yellow and white. We're going to make a radiating moon or sun. In the top left-hand corner, making sure that the hole is at the top, start making swirls using the yellow and white and then blending it in with some orange. The swirls get bigger as you get to the right side of it, and then you can go back and fix up the moon or sun so that it is round, something like that. And then go in your backyard and grab some sticks. That's what I did. I like this one. I'm just gonna piece it here to see if it will fit. And then take a detail brush. I'm going to use some black paint and just make a line where I want that branch to go. That's going to act like a shadow. And then grab some trimmers and cut it to size like that. See, when you put it on, the black line looks like a shadow behind it. And then grab some smooth stones or pebbles. I'm taking a large round oval and a small round oval that fit. That makes a pretty good cat body. Now these are pretty dark, so I could leave them just that color, but I want my cat to be black, so I am just painting it with some of the black acrylic craft paint. Just give it a nice coat and then let it dry. And then you can add whatever designs you want. Taking a detail brush, I'm just going to do 3 little triangles or stripes on the right and the left side of his body. But if you have a cat, you could design it to look like them. I could see it getting really creative. Another thing, make sure you're painting around the edge of the stones too. That way when you look at it from the side or the top, it won't look like there's a gap. Now you can glue everything on. Now everybody asks, what kind of glue should I use? Use an industrial glue like E6000. This glue does take overnight to dry sometimes, but it will hold to pretty much anything. I'm using hot glue in this video just because I needed to be pretty fast, and I have had luck with it in the past, but if you want it to really stick and you're planning to sell it or give it away, use something like E6000. And then once you get everything glued on, you can use a detail brush and add other details like a tail coming down from the bottom of him. And don't forget ears. Also make sure you're painting underneath the rock to where it meets the wood. That way when you look at it, you won't see gaps again. And then for really fine details like whiskers, use a fine tip pen or Sharpie. See how tiny those are? You can even use that to do little jig-jags like this for bats, or if you curved them, they could be birds. That's up to you. And with a toothpick as a final step, add some stars. This makes everything pop and ties in the white. I love it. Add some twine to make it an ornament, and you are ready to decorate for fall. Have fun, make it your own. I can't wait to see how these turn out. Happy painting!